Okay, guys. I hope you are ready. Okay. Okay, Mr. Mas, Mr. Asam, Mr. Shad, are you ready? Okay. The topic you have been given for the debate is government hospital versus private hospital. Okay. So you have to put your opinion, your point, and the other opposite team will be answering. Okay. Okay. So who wants to start first? Who wants to start? Who wants to put his point first? You? Okay, Mr. Shah, please. Welcome.
My name is Shad. I am in the favor of government hospitals.
Okay.
We are the government hospital staffer.
Okay.
We are very low cost treatment,
Mm-hmm.
while the private hospital offers very costly.
Yeah, he is talking about the price. Okay. In the private hospital, you have to spend a lot of money, but in the government hospital, you don't need to spend even a single rupee.
Yes. Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Adam Siddiqui and I am in favor of private hospital because there is lots of hospital who offering there are many schemes
Mm-hmm.
through which you can get treatment very easily
Huh.
and less cost.
Yes.
So you can get treatment from big hospital in very less cost. For example, through EWS card, there
Huh.
are many government scheme, Ayushman card.
Yes.
So-
Yeah, he is talking about the about that those scams the government has brought. Okay, like Ayushman card and etc. The government has brought it out, so you don't need to spend a single rupee in the private hospital.
No, sir.
Yes.
They are applicable in only government hospitals.
No.
Yeah. Really.
No, sir. It is also applicable in Apollo.
Yeah.
Apollo. There are list of hospital which is provided by government official
Mhm.
website where you can go and see. There are lots of hospitals who give treatment through Ayushman card and EWS card. A person who is below a poverty line, they also get treatment in low cost.
Yes.
In very good manner, and they get treatment very well as royal family get treated in private hospital.
Yes.
So you can try and go.
Yes, man. He is talking about the scams the government has brought it out. Okay, you can get treated good.
One thing I want to add it in this topic, very few people who knows about these schemes. So this is the main reason.
Yeah, the people who are not aware about those scams, that's why they are not able to get the benefit from those. Okay, yeah, schemes. So that's the thing he wants to say.
In government hospitals, they are focused to save the life of people,
Mhm.
but in the private hospital, they are first to earn the money.
Yeah, he is the very absolute. What a fantastic point he is just presented in the private hospital. If, for example, if you got the accident, okay, so when you will visit, the first of all they will demand to pay the money. After that, they will get admit you. Otherwise, not. And in the government hospital, first they will treat you. After that, something else.
So in,
But-
in any emergency cases.
But sir, in government hospital they take money, but I am agree with this. But you can also claim those money through the scheme, and you can get treatment very. Your treatment get.
But the patient is
privately
lacking of the
best.
time. And if you go to follow the scheme, so of course you will be having a lot of time, and you don't have time at that point. So what will you do?
Sir, you can get treatment if you pay some amount to the private hospital.
Yes.
But they treated well. In government hospital, basically they don't treat it well, and they refer to another
Yeah.
hospital.
If you are paying money, so in the return you are getting good cure.
Yeah.
Yes or not? But in the government hospital, they don't take care good.
So the government hospital doctors are better than the private hospital because they are go through any government exams,
Hmm.
so they are better than the private doctors. So,
But sir, private hospital also hired those candidates who get registered from government
if someone complete their
government department.
their degree,
You guys are smiling. Okay, but let's just stop. Next, it will be your turn. You have to speak, okay? You have to present your point. And you, mister, you have to. You are smiling, man. Okay, yes, mister.
Yes. क्या question? What is your question?
Okay, again, repeat your point. You are talking about something
Yeah,
doctors.
He said.
Sir,
Yeah.
He said government hospital, government hospital hired those candidates who passed the exams.
Uh-huh.
But in private sector, you also see the doctor who passed the exam, and they hire doctor according to their experience,
Huh.
and they are very strict, and they also go to government hospital for the less period of time
Uh-huh.
to provide treatment to the
Yes.
patient.
so if the people complete their degree in like MBBS or MD, so they open a hospitals,
Uh-huh.
but in government, they
Mhm.
go to the exams.
Okay, if you are talking about in the government hospitals, the doctors are very good. They are very qualified, good educated. ठीक है? So he is also saying that in the private sector, they are hiring on the qualification basis, on the merit
According to
basis.
their skill, experience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doctors.
They are quite skilled base. Okay, they are good qualified. They are having a good education
Yeah.
background. That's why they are being hired.
That doctor is also goes to private government hospital to give treatment to the patient.
Yes. Okay, Mr. Alkaf, have your point. What do you want to say?
Private hospital is offering in private room for patients is providing
Yes.
and best environment.
Yeah, the best
and
thing is saying. In the private hospitals, they are offering, private room for one patient. And only the person, he lives in that room. And in the government hospital, it is like general ward. Okay, lot of patients are there in the hall. Lot of disturbance are there. So what do you want to say on this, Mr. Shad? Yes, Mr. Alfin.
So if they want to take a private room, so they pay the charge. Government hospital, they are not pay the charges.
Okay, he is saying that the government hospital also they are offering.
But sir, they also get if patient get a private room,
Mhm.
then also they claim their charges through the scheme. So there is no need to worry for the patient and their parents. you
He
can
is
say.
saying that through the scheme you can get the private room.
So, I think any disasters, the government hospitals
Yes.
play a key roles,
Uh,
but in government, the private hospital, they are not.
for example, if any incident happened in the government hospital, so on the spot
Any disaster or natural
it is developed.
private
Okay.
hospital
It is taken
have
care.
24/7 emergency. And
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Private hospital provides service to the patient into 24/7, and also they provide medical treatment on the disaster and any pandemic. So during pandemic, private hospital also fund give treatment to the patient on free of cost. And they are fully funded. They run a fully funded program through the big millionaire and big people of the country.
Yes.
They also work on.
He is talking about the fund.
The government hospitals are also paying 24/7.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, if you are talking about the private hospital, they are open 24/7. So always, of course, the government hospital also.
But
private hospital provided patients in a best environment and best food for patients.
Yes, Mr. Shah. He is talking about in the private hospitals, they are giving good foods to the patients, and in the government hospital, they don't think to provide a good food.
They charge for these foods.
Yes, they charge, of
you
course.
also claim the food charge from the scheme.
Okay, guys, it was fantastic, marvelous, ठीक है, and that was good. You have to speak like this in the future. As more as you speak, you will be fluent in English. Okay, thank you guys, it was marvelous, fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you so much.